Welcome to Online Tutor for English. My name is Maggie. This is a brief introduction to pronunciation. English is spoken in many places around the world, but there are only two systems of English pronunciation that are considered standard. The first, called Standard English, is spoken by British natives and broadcasters such as those you would hear on the BBC. This Standard English is the dialect of the educated Englishman. But here at Online Tutor for English, we will be basing pronunciation on the General American dialect. This is the pronunciation used by well-educated Americans and commercial broadcasters. And it is the pronunciation found in all dictionaries made in the United States. So our goal is to have you talking like a native speaker of the English language so that you sound natural and well-educated. To that end, it's important to know something about pronunciation. You know, when we're learning to speak English, we tend to enunciate all the syllables of a word. For example, I am an American. Do you hear how clearly I spoke every syllable of the word American? But most everyday words in English have only one stressed syllable, and the other syllables in the word are unstressed. Well, this means they're not pronounced the way they would be if the word stood alone, but instead they have to use one of two unstressed sounds. So let's look at this word, American. So we want to say American. The stressed syllable here is mer, okay? But all the other syllables must be unstressed, and there are only the two unstressed sounds that we're allowed to use. The first unstressed sound is the schwa sound. So instead of a in the syllable can in American, we should be using the schwa sound. Schwa is an unstressed sound like this, a. So instead of American, we should say American. Listen again. American, American, But if the word can is all by itself, well, then it is pronounced fully. Can. Listen again. Can, American. The second unstressed sound is called the lowered I sound, also found in the word American. Listen. American? No, but American. Again. American? No. American. I. Yes. If you keep in mind that most simple words in English have only one stressed syllable, you'll be talking like an American in no time. That's the end of this lesson from Online Tutor for English.